From raw wood to masterpiece, the art of woodworking. Woodworking is where patience meets creativity. It begins with a simple piece of wood, rough, untouched, full of potential. With every cut, every careful stroke of the plane, the craftsman reveals what was hidden beneath the surface. Precision is the language of mastery. The saw's teeth bite into the grain, the chisel carves out elegance, and the sander whispers the wood smooth. There are no shortcuts, only the rhythm of hands and tools working in harmony. This is where function meets art. Dovetails lock like secrets, curves flow like poetry, and what was once a rough plank transforms into something timeless. A table, a chair, an heirloom. Each piece carries the soul of the craftsman. Woodworking isn't just about building, it's about respect for the material, for the process, and for the silent dialogue between maker and wood. And in the end, beauty isn't added, it's uncovered. Crafted by hand, perfected by passion.